How to make your YouTube channels and YouTube videos searchable on YouTube. Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. I got this message. Greetings bro, I have a problem with my YouTube channel. I wish to know why when people search on my YouTube channel it doesn't come up. I also got this same message several times. Hi, my video seems not to be searchable on YouTube. Please, can you help? So I'll be covering some tips on how to make your YouTube videos searchable on YouTube and also to make your channel searchable on YouTube. So if you are new here, please consider subscribing and hit the bell so that you won't miss anything. The first tip to make your channel searchable on YouTube is by adding tags. So tags are like keywords on what your channel is all about. Tags will help your videos to have more views, or tags will make your videos searchable. Tags are also going to make your channel searchable. To proceed with that, click on your channel icon, go to YouTube Studio, click on settings. So this is the point where you have to add your tags. Go to channel, the name, the country of residence is just simply where your channel is based or your channel is located. You can change this anytime you want. On this you have keywords. Keywords here are tags. Keywords are basically what your channel is all about. So if your channel is about music production, or it's a company producing music videos, something like that, what you can add on your tags in your channel section here is by first adding your channel name. Secondly, you can add music video production, YouTube videos production, or beat maker, anything that goes in line with what you do on YouTube. Also, if you have competitors in the field, that is people doing what you also do on YouTube, make sure to also add the YouTube channel names on your channel tags. To move from one tag or from one keyword to another, you just hit on comma on your keyboard, so that is going to move to another tag. Make sure to keep your tags below 500 characters, because if you go above 500 characters, those tags might not be in function anymore. Let us see what happens. Suppose I add something like this, and then I just put a comma. So you are going to find this red line circling that box, which means you exceeded the number of characters to include in your tag section. You will find it, so you have to delete this for it to come normal, and then at the end you go to save your tags. So that is the first tip on how to make your channel searchable on YouTube. Secondly, to make your channel or your videos searchable or increase views on YouTube, you have to have a solid video title. You also need to have a solid video description. You also need to add tags on your video. These are tags. So tags should go in line with what your video is. So you cannot be doing a video about how to increase views or how to make your channel searchable on YouTube like what I'm doing, and in your tag section you are adding music video. That doesn't make sense. So add tags according to what you are doing. For example, hi there, today we are going to learn how to make Facebook frame in Photoshop. So if you can read as from this point how to make Facebook frame in Photoshop, you see that is the same message, how to make Facebook frame in Photoshop and how to upload on Facebook with Facebook Frame Studio. So when I create this Facebook frame on Photoshop, I upload it on Facebook using Facebook Frame Studio. Now I already know what I have to include in my tags. So I'll copy this same message, this same title, I'll copy it and include in my tag here, this is my tag section. Always make sure to add your title in your tags. Also make sure to add synonym to those keywords in your tags. For example, how to make Facebook frame in Photoshop, Facebook frame creator PC, how to make Facebook frame on iPhone, Facebook frame studio, something like that. So Facebook tutorial, YouTube tutorial. So try to mix them up, and like I said earlier, if you have competitors doing that same video, make sure to add the channel names in your tags section, so that can also make your video to be searchable. One more last thing that you need to do to make your video searchable on YouTube, or to make your video have more views, is by adding a solid thumbnail. Thumbnail will make people to click on your videos. I mean, if you have a good thumbnail with a good graphic content, that's going to attract people in watching that video. So you can create beautiful thumbnails using Photoshop. That is the package I put for you today in this video on how to make your channel searchable, and also how to make your videos searchable and increase views on YouTube. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to smash the like button, don't forget to drop your comment, don't forget to share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.